Best front-load washing machine 2416SIN latest model. If you need additional settings, go for 2426SIN. Helpful. Good so far. Very good. I am posting the review within 1 day of purchase. It's an amazing model with all necessary features. However, I have bought this from Chroma instead of Amazon Cloudtail, precisely because they have been fooling around for this particular model, as it's a recent launched and is not yet available with them. Pros: 1. Lesser noise. 2. Very minimal vibration. 3. Thumbs up to washing quantity, as I have today washed my few soiled jeans which I have kept aside for this day. Cons: 1. None observed yet. I will definitely post another review after a month's usages. Chroma delivery was seamless within next day of order. Bosch installation guy was quite informative and he came immediately on the next day of delivery. Special thumbs up to him, definitely a good product to invest in. Note: hope Amazon doesn't delete my review. Excellent product. Click link in description for more reviews.